Hello traders, the title of this video is how to simplify the WXY corrective wave pattern, a technical analysis. Alright, so I've been recording video recently about the WXY wave pattern. Alright, so we have said enough, okay, but today what we're about to talk about is how to simplify the WXY with a pattern technical analysis. All right. So sometimes it's very easy to spot the WXY wave pattern. Sometimes it can be very difficult. So according to the theory of the WXY wave pattern, the W wave can be either a zigzag, a flat correction, all right, or a combination, all right. It cannot be a triangle. That's the theory. This is about the W wave of the WXY wave pattern. The X is the failure of a trend. Can have all kind of shape. We talk about it. I will not dwell on it again. All right. And the Y wave can also be either a triangle, a zigzag, a flat correction, or a combination of one of those corrective waves. Can be a little bit difficult sometimes, all right, to know exactly where the WXY wave pattern is completed. As I mentioned it to trader already in one of our videos, after an uptrend, if you are looking to find quickly the WXY wave pattern, look for double bottom chart pattern. Here it is, WXY. See, a double bottom chart pattern is completed at the point where the WXY wave pattern is completed here. Okay, by the way, the financial instrument that we are analyzing today is paycheck. Paycheck, a pickup. P-A-X, correction, P-A-Y-X, Papa Alpha, Yankee, S-ray, all right? So here it is. I will show you one example very fast. I'm looking for Microsoft stock, okay? Here it is again, all right? This is it, W, S, Y wave, and at that point we see again a double bottom. So the opposite will be true. In a downtrend you will see a downtrend, and you see W, S, Y, and you see a double top instead. Sometimes you will see an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, okay, being completed at the point where the WXY wave pattern is completed, but the number one pattern is the double bottom chart pattern, all right? Let's go back to paycheck one more time to simplify. So one of the quickest way to simplify the pattern is to look for double bottom chart pattern. Here it is trending, like Microsoft also is in a trend, all right? Microsoft, the trend is now confirmed because it goes above the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of the prior trend. For the paycheck, the trend is not yet confirmed because it did not go above the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of the prior trend. So simplifying it, look for double bottom chart pattern after an uptrend, look for double top chart pattern after a downtrend. That's the quickest way to find it. The next thing I will say to traders, because the WXY wave pattern has a three components. All right, the first component is W, second component X, and third component Y. All right, so what we can do is to look for, so the W after an uptrend will be what? In a declining channel. So draw the channel. So correction is a corrective wave. So the first part of the WXY wave pattern is a corrective wave. After an uptrend, we see a declining channel like this, followed by what? A rising channel. So if you can't count the way, it doesn't make sense. 1, 2, 3. Normally it should be 1, 2, 3. Why is it now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Just draw the channel like this and ask yourself, is it a corrective wave? So if it's a corrective wave, that's okay, because the WXY wave pattern is the S wave connecting two corrective waves. X wave joining two corrective waves, forming the WXY wave pattern. The S role is to connect. So if you have done a bit of engineering, all right, when the thing is in X shape of physics, it's quite solid, all right. If you look at a lot of building, they use the X because it's solid. So it's a joining, okay, two corrective waves. That's why we call it X, all right. So to simplify it, you draw the channel, you see a declining channel followed by another rising channel, and then here it is, you see another declining channel. Can you remember that? 1, 2, 3, all channel. So if you can't see the internal way 1, 2, 3, just draw the channel, and then here it is, it come out of that last channel and retest it here, and you are ready to implement a top down to the middle. And he was very kind again, form again another double bottom chart pattern here. Boom, here it is running away. Will that be helpful to draw the channel? Let's go back to Microsoft, another easy example. Sometimes it's quite difficult to spot it by just drawing a channel, because each sometimes can be messy, especially if you have a flat correction. You may not stay in a channel like this. Well, here is not a flat correction, so we can draw the channel. If it was a flat correction, it can be a little bit messy. See, down, up, but always ask, is it a corrective wave? Yes, it is a corrective wave that is correcting the turn effect. So here it is 1, 2, 3, double bottom, up. All right. So this is why we say to trader, the number one trading mistake is the violation of market pattern. So you are flowing with it. It's in a declining channel, you trade it. It pop out, you trade it. It come out, you trade it. Here you see. Pay attention to the second channel. This one thing you need to be aware of. All right. Color it now into red. Look at the second channel. The price came out of the, you see, and then it went into the third channel. As it came out of the third channel, look, it bounced on the edge of the right channel. So draw those channels. You can extend their line. Look at this one. Look at the gorgeousness of the market. Extend those lines. Look at that. You can extend them, okay? Just extend them like this. They will be useful to you later on. Look at that. So look at this. It breaks the bone and retests here in that zone. Okay, you can see near the median line of this red channel. Yes or no? Look at that. So this will be useful, isn't it? To draw those channels and extend it. You see, breaks the bone, retest. Try touch the top here. See, touch the top of the red channel. Pull back to retest the lower part. Bounce up again. So you can extend those channels. Okay, especially the X channel, if it's not going up in a vertical, that will be very useful for us. And here it is, after coming out of the third channel, here it is, bounce on it. So you will know that there is a line there. It bounced, pulled back a bit, but it didn't form a new lower low, which is very, very good. Now it confirmed it by exhibiting another equal low, and this is a higher low here, and here it is running away, and acknowledge here again, it came to the lower part of the red channel. Again here, you see it's a resistance. Will that be helpful? Again, and here it is running away. And again, you can use the width of that X channel if it's not vertical. Now project in the direction of the price for market geometry trading strategies. Look at that. Look at that. Are you excited like myself? All right. No, it's not correct. What I'm doing here, we want to draw the line that is parallel, okay, to the red channel. Okay, that's it. Here it is, braceable, retest here. And you can continue to do that all the way up here. One more time, parallel to the first red channel. Market geometry. If you don't know about market geometry, go to www.dayprotrader.com. Check the playlist about market geometry by Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. And you hear me speaking to you in my beautiful American accent. All right. That is to make you laugh a bit, all right? Okay. And you can project it here. And this is the reason why This one is finding a resistance here, is coming near the top of this last channel here. So this is a simple way to simplify the WXY wave pattern. Down, up, down. After a down move, so we will have something like this. So we have a downtrend. I'm talking more about bullish stock than bearish stock. A trader did ask me to talk also about bearish stock. So there is a bearish trend. Now you'll have a W going up like this instead of down in an uptrend. All right. And then you have the X may not come all the way here, may stop before the low here. Am I doing it correctly? Yes, that's correct. What am I if I'm wrong, let me know, guys. I'm trying to, yes. All right. Okay, that's it. So you see, after a down move, you have your W and then the X, failure of a trend. People expect it to go down more, has failed, and then forming the Y right here. I need to remind trader that the Y wave of that WXY wave pattern, the Y wave, can end in a zone of 50%, 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level of the prior trend, or even to the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement of the prior trend. So look for double bottom chart pattern to spot it quickly. If you are worrying about, okay, is it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay, the theory, just draw the channel, draw the channel, draw the channel. You see 3 channel, and now extend, always extend, okay, the S channel, because if the prior final resistance at the end of the Y start going, okay, down after a down move or going up after an uptrend, the extension of the S wave channel will be very, very useful to you. So always extend, okay, the channel of the S wave. All right. All right. So it's a 3 component. And if the correction continues, suppose the the Y, the price did not find a reversal here, and you see another move up. So here you will draw another channel. You draw another channel. If it's coming down again, you draw another channel, and then you draw another channel. And then you will see whether you have a bigger WXY wave or a smaller or a multiple WXY wave. All right. So just draw the channel, draw the channel, draw the channel. But you will not be able to draw a channel if the Y wave is a triangle or a flat correction. All right, so it's not easy because we are saying the WXY wave is the S wave connecting two corrective waves. So if the W is a flat correction, it's not going to be easy to draw a channel, obviously. All right, if it's a zigzag, all right, or just sharp correction or something else, you can draw the channel, draw those 3 channels, and extend, okay, the channel of the X, waiting for, okay, the reaction of the price in the near future. Okay, if the correction is prolonged, continue to do what you are doing. Now it's in a rising channel, draw the channel. Now it's in a declining channel, draw it. Now it's in, and so on until, okay, the price start running away again, and you'll see, as you can see here, it's going up. But the S wave channel will be very useful for us. And if the price comes into those zones and goes above the channel or below the channel of the S wave, project the width of the S wave channel in the direction of the price using, okay, the market geometry. All right. So that's what I want to say today about how to simplify the WXY wave, okay, corrective wave pattern technical analysis. All right. Most importantly, is the X, the most important wave of the WXY wave, is joining 2 corrective waves, all right? And the W can be either a flat correction, a zigzag, or a combination. In theory, shouldn't be a triangle, all right? The S is the failure of a trend. The Y can be a triangle, a flat correction, a zigzag, or a combination. A correction, a WXY wave is a corrective wave correcting the previous trend. Usually is prolonged. We can have multiple correction or complex correction. by looking for a double bottom chart pattern or double top chart pattern, or by drawing the channel as the price changing direction. That will help us to quickly spot the WXY wave pattern. Understand that it's a corrective wave, one in the middle joining two corrective waves. So the question you must always ask, is it a correction? Alright, so if you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you find this video truly useful, give us the thumbs up. If you think it's another blah blah blah, mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Facebook, on Reddit, and also on Twitter. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW24 traders, talking about how to simplify the WXY corrective wave pattern technical analysis. Thank you for watching.